Alright, so YouTube, I pretty much had some technical difficulties getting YouTube Studio to work, having a little bit of playback issues, and having a little bit of error. I sold Microsoft calls on Open. I sold right up here at the top, or right around here at the top, because it crashed pre-market, and then pretty much went down. I'm waiting for the actual buyback before I actually get back in. So pretty much what I'm waiting for is this yellow line to make a bounce, or the momentum to make a bounce from here going upwards. So the main reason I sold is I saw the relative momentum on the 30-minute going down, and typically when that happens, usually that's when Microsoft crashes a bit. Could make some weird thing and change its course direction, but as far as the gap difference from here, pretty much gapped up, and that's why it went down, up, and then sideways. But for here, there's not really a gap, so it is a Monday. Volatility is going to be a little bit higher. What I'm expecting is I'm just going to take the quick profits. I'm going to wait for this to crash down a little bit, and on the reversal, that's when I'm going to buy my Microsoft calls, probably for the 215 or maybe the 217. I still have a price target on Microsoft for 220. Momentum could be a little bit different depending on market conditions. As far as any type of news I've seen today, Microsoft's LinkedIn faces a lawsuit for allegedly reading user content from Apple's Universal Clipboard app, and this allows users to copy text and other multimedia from Apple device to another. So I think if LinkedIn is getting sued, then it's going to cause Microsoft, to go downhill from there. But basically just watching here really closely just to see. And once it picks its direction, I think with VWAP, it's probably going to go closer to 214.59, which is what it's getting pulled to. Looks like it's going to go down below that. As far as the 5-minute gravitational, yellow line has crossed purple line going down. It looks like it's bouncing this pink line. So I'm just waiting to see if it breaks. If it breaks, that means it's going to go down more. If it starts to bounce, there's going to be the reversal, and Microsoft stock should begin to rally. I think this is something that's probably going to take about 2 to 3 hours before it happens. Probably nothing too big, at least as far as right now. Let me go ahead and read the news and see what's going on. So first, I'm going to begin with my Federal Reserve's calendar. All right, today's 7/13. So as far as Federal Reserves, there's no video or any type of conference calls or anything like that. I think today should be a pretty stable day. Tomorrow there's a speech from Governor Lael Brainerd, and I think that might affect the market just because it's a economic and monetary policy outlook. I'm going to check the president's schedule if he's making any public speeches. All right, so there's an in-house pool call time. There's no new, big events from the president. So I think the market should be pretty stable today. All right, draw on the Fibonacci here. Just double checking the TTM squeeze. And so we have a support line at 214.52. As long as it doesn't break that going down, it should be all right. Just wait for this really quick recovery. Alright, looks like there's a reversal here. Alright, so I'm going to buy 217. Yep. I believe it's going to continue crashing, so I'll probably be back in about an hour or two. I'm going to go ahead and take a nap for the day, and then I'll probably buy the dip.